Hair falling out daily? I was devastated until this ancient remedy doubled my hair in just 30 days. From Natural Remedies by Tracy. Stay tuned, this secret's a game changer you can try tonight. Millions dread the mirror, thin hair, endless fallout, nothing works. But what if a secret from ancient times could fix it? We dug into history, tested it for 30 days, and the results? Thicker, longer hair that'll make jaws drop. Don't click away. You're about to see how easy this is. First, a quick question. How's your hair holding up? Comment below while we dive in. The hero? Rosemary, a herb hiding in plain sight. Ancient Greeks used it for power, Egyptians for beauty, and now science says it beats some hair loss drugs naturally. We thought, no way this works, but 30 days later, hair fall stopped, volume doubled. Unreal. Want proof? It's coming up. Keep watching. Here's the remedy that shocked us. A rosemary oil infusion you'll wish you'd tried sooner. Grab this. Fresh rosemary or dried, no stress. Half a cup of olive oil or coconut, your call. A pot and jar. Simmer rosemary and oil on low for 10 minutes. That spa-like smell? Heaven. Cool it, strain it. Look at that green gold. Massage it into your scalp 5 minutes. Feels amazing, grows hair fast. Leave it on an hour or overnight, then wash out. 3 times a week, 30 days. Bam, results. Don't believe it? The before and after's next? Stay with us. Day 1? Nice vibe, no change. Day 7? Hair fall cut in half. Brushes stayed clean. Week 2, thicker strands, almost magical. Day 30, ponytails doubled. Check this. Before, limp and sad. After, full and fierce. Millions love rosemary. Will it work for you? Try it and tell us. Pro tips. 3 times a week. Don't skip. After 30 days, hair's a dream. Natural beats chemicals every time. Want this? You've got the recipe. Pause here, grab your rosemary, and go. Results are coming. Don't miss the end. Ready for thicker hair? Smash that like if this blew your mind. Subscribe for more natural secrets. Comment, rosemary if you're trying it, or tell us your hair woes. We'll fix them next. Share this with a friend who needs it. Thanks for watching Natural Remedies by Tracy.